Hello students. Last time we learned about poem Animal Storm. Now we work out some exercises to comprehend the poem after reading it. Fill in the blanks with correct answers from the brackets. Blank number 1. Be blank careful or careless of the storm out there. What is the correct word? Careful or careless? Right, careful. Careful is the correct word. Careless is incorrect. Blank number 2. It is raining cats and blank elephants or dogs. What is the correct word? Yes, it is raining cats and dogs. So dogs is the correct word. Proverb. It is raining cats and dogs. Heavily, when it is raining very heavily, we usually say it is raining cats and dogs. Blank number 3. There are horses, bears and giraffes falling from the blank. Tower or sky. Which is the correct word? Yes, sky is the correct word. There are horses, bears and giraffes falling from the sky. Blank number 4. This blank whether or sin happens quite a lot. Which is the correct word? Yes, weather is the correct word. This weather happens quite a lot. Weather, daily condition of atmosphere, heat, cold, wind, rain, humidity. The annual condition of the atmosphere is called climate, but the daily condition for 24 hours is called weather. weather forecast given by meteorologists. Today the weather will remain sunny, cloudy, rainy or dry, like that. Blank number 5. The speaker sees this weather when he is blank. 2 words are given: asleep, awake. So which is the correct word? Yes, asleep is the correct word. The speaker sees this weather when he is asleep. He sees this weather in his dream. Dream shows that the speaker was sleeping. When he was sleeping, he sees this weather of rain, heavy rain, raining like cats and dogs, and poured his imagination. Horses, bears, giraffes, frogs, kangaroos, etc. The speaker sees this weather when he is asleep, when he is sleeping. In his dream, he sees this weather. Now, exercise B. Answer these questions. There are a few questions from the poem. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Which huge animal appears in the first stanza? Huge means very big. Small. Small opposite huge. Which very big animal appears in the first stanza? First line of the poem, that is first stanza. Answer is elephant. So elephant is the huge animal that appears in first stanza. Question number 2. List the animals which appear in the second stanza. Which are the animals that appear in the second stanza? Answer. Horses, bears, giraffes, kangaroos and hippopotami. Which animals? Animals that appear in the second stanza. We may start the answer from here. Animals that appear in the second stanza are horses, bears, giraffes, very tall animal, kangaroo, funny animal, jumping, and hippopotami. Hippopotami, more than one hippopotamus. Hippopotami, plural. Appear in the second stanza. Question number 3. When does the speaker see? when does the speaker see this weather? Mark the structure of the question. When does the speaker see this weather? So how shall we answer? We shall begin the answer from here. The speaker sees. When does the speaker see? Answer, the speaker sees this weather when he is sleeping. So, the speaker sees this weather in his dream when he is sleeping. Is the complete answer. Once I repeat, the speaker, T capital, the speaker sees this weather, animal storm, in his dream, I small, in his dream when he is sleeping. So thus, animal storm is a humorous poem of a funny dream felt by a boy when he was sleeping. So, dear students, try to practice question answers, fill in the blanks, words, and try to repeat the poem. This will help you to increase your word power and grasping capacity for English. Wish you all the best. Thank you.